Ever notice how every year drones get a little better, but not always better enough to justify an upgrade? That's what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro so interesting. Instead of chasing bigger size, more weight, or unnecessary gimmicks, DJI appears focused on pushing the limits of what a sub 250-gram drone can actually do for travelers, content creators, real estate photographers, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who wants professional looking aerial footage without carrying a bulky aircraft. And the Mini series has become one of the most important drone lineups on the market. And if the Mini 5 Pro lives up to expectations, it could easily become the most capable lightweight drone DJI has ever produced. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro, what makes it special, and the technology behind it, the features that matter most, and why so many drone enthusiasts are already paying attention. If you want to check out the latest specs, the pricing and availability, or purchase options, make sure to check the link in the description below. And the Mini series has always been about delivering the maximum performance in a compact package. One of the biggest advantages is the weight category. Staying underneath 250 grams allows this drone to fit into regulatory sweet spots in many regions, making ownership and operation easier compared to heavier drones, and that means more freedom, less hassle, and a drone that's easier to carry virtually anywhere. The Mini 5 Pro continues this philosophy while aiming to raise the bar in image quality, flight intelligence, obstacle avoidance, and battery performance. So let's start with the image quality because that's where most buyers focus first. DJI has consistently improved the camera technology across the Mini lineup, and Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver some of the best image capabilities ever seen in a drone this size. A large image sensor can dramatically improve dynamic range, the low light performance, the color accuracy, and the detailed retention. And that translates into richer sunsets, cleaner shadows, more realistic colors, and footage that looks far more cinematic straight out of the camera. And for creators uploading to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or professional client projects, better image quality means less time fixing footage and more time creating. And video recording capabilities are another major area where DJI continues to push forward. Modern creators expect high-resolution recording, smooth frame rates, HDR capabilities, and advanced color profiles. The Mini 5 Pro is designed to give users flexibility whether they're capturing travel content, outdoor adventures, real estate tours, landscape, or cinematic sequences. Higher bit rates recording help preserve detail, while advanced color profiles provide additional room for grading and post-production. And this is especially valuable for creators who want footage that matches professional camera during editing. And stabilization remains one of the strongest features of DJI drones. Even in windy conditions, DJI's gimbal system does an incredible job keeping footage smooth and level. And the Mini 5 Pro continues that tradition with advanced stabilization technology that helps create cinematic shots without requiring extensive flying experience. Smooth movement is one of the biggest differences between amateur-looking drone footage and professional-looking aerial content. With a stabilization camera system, users can focus more on creativity and composition rather than constantly worrying about the camera's shake. Another area where the Mini 5 Pro stands out is the intelligent flight functionality. Modern drones are no longer just flying cameras. They're sophisticated flying computers capable of tracking subjects, avoiding obstacles, planning routes, and helping pilots capture complex shots with minimal effort. Active tracking technologies have become incredibly important for creators who film themselves hiking, biking, running, boating, or exploring the outdoors. And instead of requiring a second person to operate the camera, intelligent tracking allows your drone to automatically follow a subject while maintaining framing and composition. And this can dramatically expand your creative possibilities for solo creators. And obstacle sensing is another major feature that many pilots care about. Flying in a complex environments can be intimidating, especially for beginners. The trees, the buildings, the power lines, and other obstacles can quickly turn a fun flight into an expensive mistake. Advanced obstacles avoidance systems use sensors positioned around the aircraft to detect the hazards and help prevent the collisions. And this not only improves the safety, but also boosts the confidence. And pilots can focus more on getting the shots they want rather than constantly worrying about every nearby obstacle. And battery life is another critical factor that can completely change the drone's ownership experience. Nobody enjoys landing after a short flight because the battery's already running low. Longer flight times mean more opportunities to capture content, explore locations, and experiment with different camera angles. And DJI has consistently worked to improve efficiency across its drone lineup, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue that trend. Even a modest increase in battery endurance can have a significant impact during real-world use, especially when traveling or filming in remote locations where charging opportunities may be limited. Range and signal reliability are equally important. A drone is only as useful as it's connected to the controller, and DJI's transmission technologies have evolved dramatically over the years, offering stronger signals, lower latency, and more reliable performances. And this allows pilots to maintain better control and receive clearer live video feeds even in challenging environments. A strong connection contributes to both the safety and the confidence while flying, and the portability remains one of the Mini 5 Pro's greatest strengths. Larger drones certainly have advantages, but there's also harder to transport, and many users simply want a drone that fits into a small bag, backpack, or travel kit. And the compact folding design makes this Fit Mini series appealing because it removes the barrier to actually bringing a drone along. And the best drone is often the one you have with you, and the portability dramatically increases the chances that you'll capture the unique moments when opportunities arise. And for travelers, this advantage cannot be overstated. Quick shot modes and automated flight features also help users create professional looking content without needing years of piloting experience. And automated cinematic movements can generate dramatic reveals, orbit shots, tracking sequences, and aerial perspectives with just a few taps. These features allow beginners to produce footage that would have required significant skill only a few years ago. It's one of the reasons drones have become such powerful creative tools for everyday users. Another major benefit in the growing DJI ecosystem: accessories, the batteries, the charging hubs, carrying cases, the filters, the software support, and controller options all contribute to a better ownership experience. And DJI has spent years refining this ecosystem, making it easier for users to expand the capabilities and customize their setup. And whether you're a casual flyer or a serious content creator, having access to a mature ecosystem adds long-term value beyond the drone itself. And if you're interested in seeing the latest specification, the compatible accessories, or purchase options, check out the link in the description where you can learn more about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and find the version that best fits your needs. So who's this drone really for? The answer is surprisingly broad. It's ideal for the travelers who want that lightweight gear, content creators who need that professional footage, outdoor enthusiasts documenting adventures, real estate professionals capturing property showcases, and social media creators producing engaging content, and hobbyists who simply enjoy flying. The combination of portability, image performance, intelligent features, and user-friendly operation make it one of the most versatile drone categories available today. And ultimately, the DJI Mini 5 Pro represents the continued evolution of compact aerial technology. It demonstrates how much compatibility can now fit into a remarkably small aircraft. And better camera, smarter software, stronger obstacle avoidance, longer flight times, enhanced transmission systems, and improved automation all contribute to a drone designed to help users capture incredible perspectives with less effort. And for anyone considering a new drone, upgrading from an older model, or entering the hobby for the first time, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting lightweight drones DJI has ever introduced. And as drone technology continues advancing, the gap between compact consumer drones and larger professional platforms keeps shrinking, and the Mini 5 Pro may be one of the strongest examples of that trend yet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow.